Mover as it's auto. Key's there to put power from the battery to the mover, so that starts that up. So if you had a trim, it might be slightly different before. Right, to start your handset up, press both green buttons at the same time. Until you see a green light, take your fingers off. Okay? What you see, to get the mover on, which I'll show you in a second, but I'm not going to move it because I've got that battery there. So to manoeuvre it, so you see it's got a rough outline of a caravan, pointy end, forward, you can hear the power going now. As soon as you take your finger off, it stops. Same with reverse. Turning buttons, so if I power this one here, that's operating the offside wheel, which is pointing to the nose left, or opposite, and opposite corners more or less turns on its axis. Okay? But to get the motor mover on, is press and hold the orange button, then press what looks like the fast forward button. You'll see the lights flashing there now. The mover is now going onto the wheel. Okay, you see that? So while it's still flashing on the handset, you know it's still trying to do something or it's thinking about doing something, so don't do anything else until it stops.
That takes it on both sides?
Yeah, it's put it on both sides now, yeah.
So the power from that is coming from the battery?
The battery is powering that, this has got its own battery. Alright? So what you'll see near the end of that function, it will flash, and go to a solid light to one side of the screen. Okay? It defaults to fast forward. So when it's first started up, that's fast forward. You can slow it down by just pressing that button there to different settings, slower. Okay? It always defaults to fast forward.
Meaning what?
As in, when you switch it on, it's at fast forward setting. So it's not quite Formula 1, it's still only walking speed, but you can slow it down slower than that.
And yet you only had down the M6.
Yeah, because people say, well, they're going any faster. I said, no. It's better not going faster, because if you want to crunch something, faster it goes, the more damage it's going to do. Right. So to get the motor mover back off again, press the orange button again, but press the opposite one this time. So you can see there's got orange button,
green.
There's got orange on there. So press the orange button in the centre and hold, press that one opposite. It's now coming off. It will get to a point you think it's stopped, which it won't. What it's done is just stop partially for a few seconds before it resets. So keep having a look at your handset, you'll see it flashing green like that. It's still doing something. So in a second it will get to a point it will stop. You've just got to wait and be patient for it to finish its manoeuvre.
Be patient.
Yeah, that's it. Some days, yes. Right, you see that now, it's stopped. I don't know if you can hear it because of the... So it's stopped in position now. What it will do, it will come back on again. Just a fraction. See that? It's just resetting itself. So if you got to that point where you think it's stopped and start switching things off, it's going to upset it. Alright? So wait until it's finished. Once it's green dot back to solid there, then you know it's okay. Turn the power off on your key. Okay, so make sure you turn that off afterwards. If you forget, that control box will go into hibernation, shuts itself down, so obviously stop to drain your battery. Then to get it back started again, if you've forgotten, you've left the key in, just take the key out. Give it a few seconds, put it back in, it resets it, then you should be away you go. Alright? The handset will shut itself off after a period of around about 1 minute of non-use, or press any of the green buttons to switch it off. Okay?
I'll tell you one thing you haven't shown us, the alarm system and stuff.
Alarm system is on the keyboard. Good on this side.
Do we need to do anything with this built up about the tracker and what we need to do?
Yeah, well, all you need to do is register with the tracker. So you go to onto the Swift Command website. It should give you the link to go onto to register on that.
Okay.
To set the alarm, so you've got keys.
Yeah.
So one on a spare, one key does all.
Oh right, okay.
To set your alarm, big button.
Yeah.
Or big button, second button down even. One beep on,
Yeah.
two beeps off. So it's just one press each time.
Okay.
You'll see the side markers light up. So that will set a tilt sensor.
Right.
So if someone's trying to wind it up or down, and also a PIR sensor.
Right.
Okay. If you've got a tracker, that will set the tracker as well.
Right. Which we have, so.
Yeah. Okay.
And what's all the rest
So that one is just torch.
Right.
Third one down.
All
is
right.
warning. Okay.
Cool. So you can fine, done. Okay.
Yeah. So you can do that. There's about four options of switching normally light on and off.
Okay.
If you really wanted to, that, on the control panel, and you're out.
Yeah, bloody hell.
If that's not enough.
If that's not enough,
Yeah.
still can't work it out.
Yeah, okay.
So we'd handle the van keys over in there when we do the...
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
Yeah, once you finish.
Yeah.
So what we need to do now is connect your car up, because we need to check your lights now.
Okay.
Okay, so what we need with your car, we're going back down that way, so we need